A very good afternoon to all our dear viewers and welcome to the series of live talk show conducted by Global Education and Training Institute. In this series of live talk show, today we have with us a young dynamic personality, Ms. Durgesh Singh, Assistant Professor, Lucknow University, and she is going to give us a talk today on unburden yourself through time management. Over to you, ma'am, for a detailed description and an illustrated talk on this so very important topic.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all viewers of Betty. The topic that we have today is unburden yourself through time management. This topic is something that has been very common. We have discussed about it a number of times. Every now and then, whenever we feel demotivated or we feel that we have not been able to utilize our time well, we come up with this topic. But प्रॉब्लम वहां आती है जहां हम इसे इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो टुडे we'll discuss about certain things that we need to implement in our life so that we can manage our time. The one thing that I always follow in my life and I always tell to all my friends who always complain about shortage of time that मेरे पास time नहीं है, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, वो नहीं कर सकती. Just one thing, everybody has that same 24 hours. But yet there are people who are able to manage their tasks so well in that 24 hours, while there are some who just keep complaining for shortage of time. And the only reason is the problem of time management, because you are not able to decide that what is important for you, what are your priorities, what are the tasks that can be avoided in those 24 hours, and what are those tasks that require your utmost need and care for those 24 hours. So today we'll discuss about all that only. But first of all, I would like to talk about myself, something that I have achieved through time management. I have not been one of those students who were born with high intellect. I had to work really hard to score well in the examinations. Along with that, I had certain hobbies, so I had to manage time for that also. But the only thing that I had to focus was on time management. I have qualified a number of competitive exams, and that too a number of times, particularly talking about the NET examination. I've qualified it a number of times. But I had to manage my time with that because I also work. I'm working as an assistant professor, and everybody who's there from the teaching background is well aware कि teachers के पास time की shortage हमेशा होती है. But आप किस तरह से उस time की shortage को overcome कर सकते हो, that is entirely dependent upon you. Talking about today, the topic that we have is unburden yourself through time management. I've prepared a small PPT through which I'll be discussing the technique that you people can use to unburden yourself. As you know, a lot of times we have heard this saying कि आप व्यस्त नहीं हैं. आप व्यस्त सिर्फ इसलिए हैं क्योंकि आप अस्त व्यस्त हैं. So this is something that you need to implement. You are not busy. You have just not managed your time well. That is why you are feeling that you are overburdened. You're not finding time for yourself. You're not finding time for your hobbies. You're not finding time for your passion. So if you love something, go after it and find time for it. There are certain techniques, or you can say tips, that I follow in my day-to-day life, and that are the 4 Ds of time management. What are those 4 Ds? Let us discuss. First one is do. First thing you need to understand through this matrix is that you have to divide your work according to urgent and not urgent category. And then you have to find out कि उस urgent और not urgent में भी important क्या है आपके लिए और not important क्या है. First thing, you need to understand that if something is really urgent for you and it is important as well, you need to do it right now. Do not transfer your work for the future. Because अगर आप काम को टालते चले जाएंगे तो ultimately again there will be one day wherein you will be overburdened. जिस डे के लिए आपने जो काम डिसाइड किया है, make it a point to complete it at the same day. please do not keep transferring it, do not keep postponing it for the later time कि जब urgent होगा तभी करेंगे. There is one common habit among all the students that we see. A lot of people do this कि किसी एग्जामिनेशन के लिए, say for example फॉर्म निकली और उसका एक लास्ट डेट है, तो आप फॉर्म लास्ट डेट के दिन भरोगे या फिर लास्ट डेट के एक दिन पहले भरोगे. व्हाट इफ यू हैव अ सर्वर एरर दैट डे, व्हाट विल यू डू एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम? सो मेक इट अ टाइम, मेक इट अ पॉइंट कि जिस काम को आपको जिस दिन के लिए अलॉट किया है आपने, आप उस दिन उसको कंप्लीट करो, उसको आगे के लिए पोस्टपोन नहीं कर रहे हो. Second thing is you have to decide. That means you have to decide upon the time that you're going to allot to a particular work. You should not be so available to everyone that you are meeting somebody, you have some work with somebody and you're just passing on your time. You wanted to meet that person, say for example 1 hour, but आप उस मीटिंग को 1 hour की जगह आप 2 hours तक 3 hours तक extend करते ले जा रहे हो, just because you are sitting and you don't know that what you have to do next. So this is something that should be avoided as per what I believe, that you have to decide that what time has to be allotted to what work. Next that we have is delegate. If the work is not that important, you need to delegate the work. That means अगर काम जरूरी नहीं है, आप अगर किसी और से वो काम करवा सकते हैं, so better delegate it to your children, delegate it to your friends, delegate it to your spouse, delegate it to any person you can get help from, right? If you are not able to reach to a place, you had to do some work, delegate it to someone, somebody else can do it, if someone you trust on. Next that we have is something that is not urgent, you have to delete it, and it is not important as well. So जो काम आप समझ रहे हो खुद से कि आपके लिए अर्जेंट भी नहीं है और आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट भी नहीं है, उस काम को करने का कोई मतलब बनता ही नहीं है. The simple thing is that you have to understand the concept that what is important for you, what is not important for you, and this is the key for managing your time. Complaining is easy, making excuses is all the more easy, but the only difficult task is managing the time, and that can only be done when you know that what is your utmost priority. There are many people who keep complaining that they wanted to, they want to appear for some competitive exam, they want to start up their own business, they want to work extraordinary, they want to work towards their passion, but they are not getting time. How is it possible that you love something, you are passionate about something, and you are not able to get time for that? अगर आप किसी चीज के लिए पैशनेट हो, अगर आप ये बोलते हो कि सिंगिंग आपका पैशन है, डांसिंग आपका पैशन है, सबसे हटके अगर बोले तो पढ़ना अगर आपका पैशन है, तो ये कैसे पॉसिबल है कि जो चीज आपका पैशन है आपके पास उसी के लिए टाइम नहीं है? यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट वेयर यू आर लैकिंग. एंड ये जो टाइम को डिसाइड करने का कंसेप्ट होता है ना, इंटरनेट पे you'll get a lot of matter about an ideal time schedule, but I would suggest please do not get into such things. What I would suggest is आपका टाइम, आपका 24 hours, आपके 24 hours में जो काम आपको करने हैं वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको पता है. Nobody else knows it. Google is not aware what work are you going to do in 24 hours, but you need to know that what are your priorities. What are you going to do when you wake up? What are you going to do throughout the day? How are you going to manage your work? First and foremost thing that is there, which is a key component of, you can say, time management, is managing your morning routines. Just getting up from the bed and then, picking up your phone and being busy with the phone is the most important time spoiler. It is one of those time spoilers जिसको आप you say कि मैं 5 मिनट फोन देख लेता हूँ फिर ये काम करूंगा, but you never know when that 5 minute gets converted into 1 hour. I'm not against technology, I'm not against social media platforms, but you need to understand that how much time you need to dedicate. And especially when you are studying, when you are preparing for some competitive examination, the best solution, the best suggestion that one can give or you can have is staying away from social media platforms. Once you decide what you have to do throughout the day, in the morning itself you are very, very clear. You are very clear that how much time has to be dedicated to what work and how much effort you need to put in. By the end of the day, wherein you want to find time for yourself, you want to relax yourself, and you're completely exhausted, it makes no sense. You're not able to give time to your family, you're not able to give time to your passion. It makes no sense to be busy at all. So one phrase that I remember again is, there are people who are busy without work. And why does this happen? Why are you busy without work? Because you don't know what you're doing. So in a gist, the only thing that I would like to request to the young generation of today is to manage your time. Have time for social media platforms, have time for friends, have time for everything, but at the same time have time for your passion. Because if you do not manage your time, you'll always feel overburdened, and the only way to unburden yourself is to manage your time effectively and efficiently. And how you have to do it, it is entirely dependent upon your viewpoint. You have to decide it how it is to be done. Nobody else is going to guide you. Not me, not the Google, no motivational speaker can guide you. It's only you who knows how to manage your own time. Because you know what is important for you, you know what is not important for you. Nobody else can do that. One quote that I came across was, either run the day or the day runs you. Simple and clear. Either you are taking charge of the day, that what is going to be done in a day, how the day is going to be as per my vision will, or the day is going to run you. That means that whatever work is coming up throughout the day, if you are not able to manage it, it is going to take a toll over you. Ultimately, you will feel exhausted. You will feel completely, you will not be satisfied by your own self, that you have not been able to achieve the targets that you have planned for the day. So ultimately, again, the same thing comes up. You need to do everything for managing your own time. You are the master of your time. You are the master of your life. You are the master of your destiny. Nobody else is going to come up. Nobody else is going to plan it for you. You have to do it for yourself. So this was something that I wanted to discuss with the people today. Obviously, I felt like most of the people who are of today's generation, they can get my point very easily, because this is a common problem which everybody is facing these days, that we are running short of time. You need to understand that we are not running short of time. Even our parents had that 24 hours, but they were able to manage their office work, they were able to manage their social work, they were able to manage their family as well. But if we compare, we comparatively have less work than what they had, but yet we are not able to manage our tasks. Now, why is it so? It has to be analyzed, and it has to be analyzed only and only by our own selves. As I said, nobody is going to come and save you. You are the savior of your own destiny. That's all. I would like to wind up. Over to Sumita ma'am. If there's any query, you can just let me know.
Well, ma'am, very well thought of and very nicely shared views by you on how to manage the time. And it's so apt and so accurate. If we really look upon all those people who belong to the older generation, they all managed their time, maximum of them. We have seen that they were able to do their work so meticulously, following their life, their routine in their life, so keeping all the different aspects and keeping all the priorities in mind, and in spite of the fact that they did not have any access to the modern technique, the technology. We all have, this privilege of living in this world with this society around us, wherein we are just on a touch of button, we can have anything to our access. So we definitely need to learn from them how to manage time and Thank you for sharing your views at this platform. Ladies and
Thank
gentlemen, that was Ms. Durgesh Singh, Assistant Professor at Lucknow University, sharing her views on unburden yourself through time management. It's really, really very important and call for the day. Thank you so much for being with us, and we'll be
you,
very
ma'am.
soon back with you all with yet another speaker giving us a live talk show at the Getty platform. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.